Promotions are discounts that don't require the buyer to enter a coupon code. They can apply store-wide or be set on specific combinations of categories, brands, and tags to only apply to some parts of your catalogue. Coupons can be set up to be single-use, multi-use, or single-use per customer. With single-use coupons, they can only ever be entered once. This is useful for giving an offer to a specific customer. Multi-use coupons can be used by a range of customers that have been supplied the coupon code to enter at checkout. Single-use per customer coupons means you can share the same coupon code out via social media or email marketing campaigns to many recipients. This means each person who uses the coupon code can only redeem it once. Coupons can either be a dollar discount or a percentage discount and have a minimum purchase amount to qualify. You can also set a start and end date on coupons and promotions.